In this video, you'll learn how to search hotels by distance on Agoda. This is especially useful when you want to stay near a specific place, like a conference venue, a tourist attraction, or a friend's neighborhood, and you don't want to scroll through endless listings that are too far away. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're new to using Agoda. First, open the Agoda website in your browser or launch the Agoda app on your phone or tablet. On the home screen, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination. Type in the city, area, or landmark where you want to stay. For example, you might enter the name of a city or a particular district within that city. Then choose your check-in and check-out dates and select how many guests and rooms you need. Once you've set your basic details, start the search. Agoda will now load a list of available hotels and properties that match your criteria. At this stage, you might see a mix of options, some close to where you want to be and others much farther away. By default, Agoda may sort these results by factors like recommended, price, or top reviewed, which doesn't necessarily show you what's nearest to your preferred spot. To fix that, look for the Sort By option on the results page. This is usually located near the top of the list of hotels. On desktop, it's often a small drop-down menu. In the app, it may appear as a button or tab labeled Sort or Sort By. Go ahead and tap or click that. When you open the sort menu, you'll see several ways to organize your search results, such as by price, rating, or deals. From this list, select the option labeled Distance. This tells Agoda that you want the hotels to be rearranged based on how close they are to the area or point you've selected. After you choose Distance, give the page a moment to refresh. The hotel list will now reorder itself so that the properties nearest to your chosen location appear at the top. This makes it much easier to see which hotels are actually within a convenient walking or driving distance. Take a few moments to scroll through the top results. You're now viewing the hotels closest to your selected area. This is where you'll want to compare options based on your budget, preferred amenities, and review scores. You can click into individual hotels to see the exact distance from your chosen point. Look at the map view if it's available and confirm that the location really works for your plans. If you need to adjust anything like your dates or the area you're targeting, simply update your search and then reapply the distance sort option so your list stays organized by proximity. That's all there is to it. By starting your search, using the sort by option, selecting distance, and then reviewing the closest hotels, you can quickly find accommodation that's exactly where you need it to be on Agoda.